advice to a new content creator: patience, consistency. Also, help as many people as you can as you go along on the platform, and that will help you get to your goal faster. Yeah. Um, Always be, be yourself, be genuine, be authentic, be honest on the platform as well, because along the way, when you're first on the platform, you don't really know anyone. YouTube is not really pushing out your content. So along the way, you might meet some people on live streams, and then you might be interested in their content. They might find an interest in your content. So then you may become friends along the way. So the bit where I said be honest. So basically, if you meet someone and you become very good friends with them, basically just treat them as you would like to be treated. So if they are posting a video that's 20 minutes long and you're posting a video that's 20 minutes long, watch their video to the end. If you expect them to watch your video to the end, just be kind, be straightforward, and don't try to deceive anyone on the platform as well. That's what I would say. Because yeah, new YouTubers, obviously there's a support group. You find support in each other. Like-minded content creators help each other out at the beginning, maybe to, yeah, if they like what you're doing, they'll watch your video and you watch theirs. So, but just be genuine with it. Don't click into their video for 2 minutes and pretend that you've watched their 20-minute video. You've clicked in for 2 minutes, you've clicked out, because what that will do is that will send a message to the YouTube algorithm that that person's video is not interesting at all. So you've clicked into their 20-minute video, you've clicked in, dropped a comment, said, oh, I'm here, first here, oh, nice video. Stuff like that along the lines, where you haven't really watched video. Because you haven't watched video, then you couldn't leave a genuine comment. Whereas if you had watched video to the end, you would be able to leave a nice genuine comment and commenting on exactly what you've seen in that video. So that's part of it. A new YouTube person on the platform, I would say, yeah, you always hear that consistency, uploading. You don't have to wait until your video is perfect before you upload it as well. And I hear a lot of people saying, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I don't know how to edit, or I'm not sure how they're going to take my video, or different reasons. And obviously procrastination as well. I'm still a procrastinator, so I can't. I am chief procrastinator, but I'm trying to get better anyway. But yeah, they procrastinate. So basically, just do it as well. So when you've got your first video idea, no matter how editing is, just upload it. Because once you've got your first upload, it's like a snowball effect. After that, you'll just have your second upload, your third upload, and your fourth upload, and it will just keep going like that. And then in terms of the algorithm, yeah, I'd say when you first come on the platform, obviously you've got passion for what you're doing. So you can upload your passion. Okay. You don't have to niche down, not yet. Don't put yourself in the box right as you start on the platform, because what you need to do, you need to test the waters. So obviously, as human beings, we like a lot of different stuff. Even in school, they taught us a lot of different subjects. We learned English, maths, science, religious studies. Exactly. They didn't just say, oh, come on, you're only learning maths here today. You're only learning maths in school for the rest of your life. No, we did different subjects. So when you first come onto the YouTube platform, obviously upload your passion. Yeah, I've said that already. At the same time, whatever else you're interested in, upload them as well at the same time. So what that's going to do is, if you go into your YouTube studio analytics, it will show you what your viewers like. Because I know when we first come onto the platform, it's all about us, it's our passion. But you'll find out further down the journey that it's not really about what you want, it's about what your viewers want. So you have to provide what your viewers want. So basically, so you've uploaded like five or six different things that you find interesting, things that you find that you can edit and stuff like that. So then what happens is the algorithm will show you which one your viewers are more interested in. So when you see the topic out of all those five or six that you've uploaded, when you see that the algorithm has picked up a special liking for a certain topic on your channel, either you can make that viral topic on your main channel, or you could take that viral topic and open a second channel with it, which is what I have kind of done. But to be fair, when I first came on the platform, like if you have a look around this channel, if you go to the playlist section, you'll see different types of content, all different types of content on here, but that's just me. I know everyone's not the same. But however, I had 5 different niches when I first came on the platform. And I find, well, for me, my channel works just all jumbled up and mixed up, but that's just for me. But I understand that people want a focus. That's fine as well. But what you can do is have separate channels focusing on different niches. You don't have to be restricted to one channel. That's a beautiful thing about YouTube. They have given us the platform, and they've given us a platform where you can open as many channels as you want. So if you do have different interests, you can have a different channel for each of your interests. You don't have to be, bogged down on one channel. It's not like that. Obviously, when you're first starting on the platform, you want to find your feet, you want to get your first channel monetized, and then after you've got your first channel monetized, then you can easily branch out after that, and then you can open up separate channels. Yeah, don't wait until your video is perfect before you upload it. Your skills will come later. Your editing skills will come, your confidence will come, especially if you're yeah, I'm a faceless channel, so it's a bit easier for me. I don't have to show my face, but yeah, if you're sitting in front of the camera, it will build your confidence. I do, what's the word? I was commend or really big up or props or I admire, those people that can come out and sit in front of the camera, and be themselves. They've got that confidence. I don't have that second level of confidence. Obviously, I wanted to be a faceless channel because I just want to, yeah, really want to protect my family, protect my job, you know, and just I didn't want it to be about me. That's why I'm a faceless channel. I wanted my channel to be about helping people on the platform, and I really wanted my channel to be about you guys, I think. And seeing my face will probably be a distraction. It will start to be about me, but I wanted it to be about the people. I think that's one of the reasons why I'm a faceless channel. But yeah, I really wanted to protect my job. That's the most important thing, my livelihood. Can't come online and start, acting anyhow. I've got a lot of respect for, you know, my family and my job is very important to me. So yeah, I think the way you can increase your views, I don't know how you are currently using your community tab. That will help you to promote your older videos as well that are not getting views. There are a lot of ways you can use your community tab. You can post a picture and then drop your link above it. You can drop your link on its own and then the video will display for them to click on. Another way, I'm not sure if anyone else has thought of this, but I do it a lot on my one. So basically you can ask, on your community tab, when you can ask your audience a multiple choice question, at the same time you're asking that multiple choice question, you can drop a link of your most recent video. So you're getting like 2 for the price of 1. You're getting interaction from your multiple choice question at the same time you've dropped your link so they can watch your video as well. That is really good. That helps to bring in more views. I think the fastest way to get your subscribers in 2024 is to post shorts videos, and YouTube themselves recommend you post shorts as well. Because I noticed that when I opened a fresh new channel, it said, yeah, if you post 50 shorts, then it will open up different perks on your channel. Like you can do live streaming after that. So shorts, so YouTube itself has even said that creating shorts is very, very good. So you should be creating as many shorts as you can. Also, YouTube has given us a feature where you can upload a long form content, and there is a button on there that says remix. So you can press the remix. So once you've uploaded one piece of content, you can cut that one piece of content into 5 or 10 or as many different shorts as you want. And for now, the algorithm is really pushing out shorts. Sometimes I'm just with my notebook and I'm just in my room and I'm thinking, wow, look how far my shorts go. Look how fast they go. I can upload a shorts video and in the next 10 minutes it's already on 10,000 views. And I'm like, when I post a long form video, it's just sitting there. I'm not as lucky as the rest of the content creators, because some of them, they can post a long form content video and still get their, you know, 10,000 views. But for me, I can only get that done with short. Yeah, don't be in a rush to get your first 1,000 subscribers by doing sub for sub. Don't do sub for sub because it's against YouTube's policy. Also, sub for sub will harm your channel because you'll just get people that have subscribed to your channel just because they want to make their 1,000 subscribers very quickly. They won't watch your content. They'll pretend to watch your content. And each time they click out of your content, your retention will go down and YouTube will not promote your video. So in the long run, you'll be harming your channel. So don't do sub for sub. And luckily for you guys, in 2024, you don't even need to do sub for sub. I guarantee you, if you really, bog down on it, you could, if you had the capacity, you could upload, I don't know, 20 shorts a day or maximum 50. If you really, really went for it. If you went through it 50 shorts per day, trust me, you would have your 1,000 subscribers in less than, I don't know, 2 or 3 months. I knew a person that, yeah, I think he got his 1,000 subscribers in 1 month. Yeah, from shorts, from posting shorts. So sub for sub, stay away from it. You don't need it. You really don't need it, and it's against YouTube policy and guidelines anyway. So don't do sub for sub. Yeah, and then it will harm your channel in the long run. Watch time is another thing. Yeah, for the new YouTubers, what would I say is the fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hours? I'd probably say live streaming. If you could think of an interesting topic, and then if you could go live as much as you can, as much as is in your capacity, that will get you your watch hours fast. Obviously, uploading interesting content as well, useful content for your viewers, that will get you your 4,000 watch hours on time as well. And also, if you could do maybe how-to videos or videos that people are searching for, because the more they search for the video and then your video pops up in search and the more they click on it, that will boost your watch hours as well. Find out how you can rank your videos in search. So do searches for search engine optimization. Yeah, and how to rank your video in search. That will help you a lot. I would also do, what other research did I do? Yeah, to get my videos visible. That was the first thing I did when I came on the platform, and I came across people like Annie Dubay, um, what's his name? Brian G. Johnson. Annie Dubé, Brian G. Johnson. But to be fair, those are the old school people now. We've got people like Vibe with Sonia now. She is very good if you're looking for YouTube growth and you're a new YouTuber. Vibe with Sonia, I think her name is. Yeah. I think she's one of the best out there now. Because back in my day, it was Annie Dubé, Brian G. Johnson, vidIQ. Um, who else is really good? Yeah, that's all I can think of on the top of my head. Robert? Nah, I can't. I don't know his name. Can't remember his name. It was really, really good, but I can't remember his name. Ah,